This window's gonna be a pain to put back together. Don't tell me it has water in it. I don't know how that could even be. Oh, come on. Side panel won't come open. It does have water in it. That's not good. This disc is a mess. Okay, I got my gas back. This will be covered in a different video. I gotta pull this thing back up so I can put the screen back in. This will be done later though. And hopefully that weather stripping will help make a better seal. I don't know. This has always been like the trouble window. Alright, 1 down, 2 to go. I'll save that one for last because that one's really hard to get to. Alright, let's see. I guess that's a good place to put it. Not really. Well, yeah, okay, the tripod wasn't down all the way. Alright. This one shouldn't be too hard to get out. I mean, it's not even like in the track, and there's a reason behind that. I don't know if I explained this, but the reason this doesn't sit in the track is because of the storm window. You know, it comes out quite a bit. So when it sits in the track, it tips inward more, and then it doesn't drain properly. So there's the reasoning behind that. I should probably unplug it. Actually, I'm gonna leave it for now. I'll unplug it in a minute. There's always the one side panel. There's the paper towel. Second one down. Alright, excuse me, sister. She starts talking. This is the best view we're gonna get.
Why'd you put it in here then?
But the plug's gonna be pretty hard to get to. Because the plug is way back there. I don't know how good your is. I'll get that in a moment. There we go. Thankfully the plug wasn't very stiff, so just make sure you can see. That's good. Yeah, this thing's gonna be a bit of a pain. Especially due to these side panels. These side panels are... Ow! Ow! Ow, my finger. Yeah, these side panels are a bit sticky. Thankfully there's a porch roof here. So even if I do drop it, which hopefully I don't, but there's a whole bunch of water on it. I'm gonna let that spill off. I don't know where that came from. Okay, this thing's really heavy. It's all wet. Right. And I'll get these stored away for the wintertime.